Pro inspection vouchers let do-it-yourselfers confirm pest identity and get a one-time professional plan without committing to ongoing service. When you buy a Pro inspection voucher for do-it-yourself pest control products, a licensed pest professional conducts a single visit focused on accurate identification, threshold assessment, and an actionable treatment plan you can implement yourself. Expect the technician to inspect common entry points, inspect pest activity patterns, and identify conducive conditions such as moisture or food sources, then write down a prioritized list of tasks. Ask for precise product labels and active ingredient names so you can match consumer-grade products to the recommended chemistry, and request application rates and timing, expressed in simple measures like tablespoons or teaspoons per gallon when relevant. If baiting is part of the plan, have the Pro show bait placement locations and explain how to monitor and replace bait safely without direct exposure to children or pets. For structural or severe infestations, the Pro should state clear thresholds where follow-up paid service is advisable and give you criteria to evaluate success over specified days or weeks. Before the visit, gather photos, note where you see pests most often, and record any previous treatments to help the inspector tailor the plan quickly. Common mistakes include misidentifying the pest and treating with the wrong product, which you avoid by insisting the inspector writes the species or descriptive ID and the exact active ingredient to use. Another issue is improper application, such as overuse or wrong dilution, so follow the written rates and methods from the plan, measure precisely with household tools, and use appropriate personal protective equipment as described. People also underestimate harborage or conducive conditions and treat only visible pests, so follow the recommended exclusion and sanitation steps in the plan and recheck the specified monitoring points to confirm progress. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like this, and we make it easy for homeowners to find local licensed pest professionals who offer one-time inspections and written plans. Our site also helps contractors find work and includes a discussion community where we and other users share experiences, ask questions, and compare product feedback.